Kev G with a weather overview. We look into the crystal ball, the NOAA crystal ball. This is their climate prediction center. This is the outlook for the temperature outlook for January 26th through about February 1st. And you can see that they are predicting a very high chance of above normal temperatures across the eastern two-thirds of the United States. So that takes us basically from next Monday through the end of the month. And I would say this is a pretty good bet, as a lot of the cold air is trapped in the west. Now, for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I think we'll see near normal temperatures, and it'll be chilly with readings in the mid to upper 30s. But basically, that's the long and the short of it. Every other day, including today, is mild. So I think that overall we'll have brief interludes of cold through the next 7 to 14 days. But in between those brief interludes of cold will be mild temperatures for this time of year. And we had a great day yesterday. Hopefully you got outside. I think we'll see another repeat performance today, because if we look at the temperatures off of Intellicast.com, we're already in the mid to upper 40s along the coast. Still got some upper 30s over the mid-Hudson Valley, but those temperatures will be responding with lots of sunshine, it looks like, for your Sunday. So we do have some rain chances to deal with. I think that overall, the pattern will be above normal precipitation, but that precipitation is going to come in the form of liquid. So we'll check it out off the models. We'll take a look at the GFS model, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. And, we have a pretty good day today. Lots of sunshine, temperatures in the 40s to near 50, especially along the coast. And then we watch rain develop for late Monday night into Tuesday. I think this is mainly a Tuesday rain event with about a half inch to an inch as this cold front comes through. And then once this front goes off, rain will end late Tuesday night, probably in the evening, and then we'll get into some colder temperatures. So we'll knock those temperatures down for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. It's a little bit on the chilly side with those 3 days. If we back up the run here, one run of the model, and then if we go in time, we see that towards the end of the week, high pressure reasserts itself so that we get back into this southwesterly wind flow. With that high pressure, you could see it on Friday. It's sitting over New England, and then what it does is it parks itself off the coast and then starts to move away, allowing the winds from the south and west to come in for Saturday and Sunday into Monday. And then we go through another period of rain for, it looks like, Sunday afternoon into Sunday night right now. So if you're planning next weekend, Saturday's definitely the better looking day, with this rain chance moving in for Sunday afternoon, Sunday night. And I think it's a pretty good shot that we'll get into some rain for late in the weekend next weekend. And then things cool down briefly, and then we go back to the warm-up. Now, I want to show you what the National Weather Service means by this this idea that in the long range they have these above normal temperatures. So if we take a look at the 2-meter temperatures for Friday, this coming Friday, you can see that, we're on the chilly side, but near normal. But then what starts to happen is this warm air starts to come in from the west. And even though we are raining on Sunday, it's warm. And Monday, we're still warm compared to the normal. And you can see that in the long range, if we go really, really far out to about January 31st, we don't really have a big press of cold air in the nation, that we don't have any nearby cold air that we can tap. So this is going to be a well-deserved break, continuing as we look at Weather Underground. All in all, a well-deserved break from the brutal temperatures that we had to start the month of January. And I think that overall, the idea that from around mid-January, around January 10th, the idea that a lot of long-range weather forecasters had that the second half of January was going to be pretty mild, I think that deserves a lot of credit. And I think that's exactly what we'll see, by and large, over the next 2 weeks.